Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you guys what all I've purchased from the Nykaa hot pink sale that was on last weekend. I think if you're a makeup lover, you must be knowing that Nykaa was giving their annual their sale, and a lot of products, I mean most of the brands participated in the sale, and they were pretty good discounts on almost all of the products. So I have purchased a lot of things. I won't call it a huge haul, but yeah, it's like a moderate amount of products that I've purchased. So the products came in 4 boxes, as you can see, and the products took little longer than usual days to reach to me, maybe because of the lockdown and corona situation that is there. And I have spent for about 10,000 rupees in this haul, so there are a decent number of products. We'll see that later in the video. And most of the skincare products are new to me. I'll be using them for the first time, and some of the makeup products are my second or third purchase because I have tried them earlier and really liked it, so I restocked it. So let's get started with the haul. So this is the first box. It contains the skincare products, and as you can see, I haven't opened the parcel yet. Alright, so the first 2 products that I have purchased are from the brand Plum. So this is the Plum Chamomile and White Tea Skin Revival Face Wash and Brightened Up Face Scrub. So there was a really good offer going on Plum, that you purchase any products worth rupees 8.99, you'll be getting the Plum Kajal free. So I have really heard good reviews about Plum skincare as well as their Kajal. So I really wanted to try the products, and the offer was good, so I purchased this 2 product. And also the next product that I've got from Plum is their Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. So this product has been recommended by a very good friend of mine. She uses this. She has got oily skin, my skin type is combination, so I don't know how this is going to work on me, but she said that it's a very nice product, should give it a try, so bought it. So I have got the Plum Nature Studio Kajal free with these purchases, which I think is a pretty good deal, because this Kajal only itself, it costs, if you buy it, I mean on its own, it's going to cost you for about 400 rupees. So I think it was a good offer. Moving on to the next products that I purchased from Mamaearth. So this is the Mamaearth Upton Face Wash, and I think this is quite popular. I've seen some reviews and people have given positive reviews, so I thought of trying this face wash. And along with this, I got this Mamaearth oil free moisturizer free. So I thought it's a good deal. The deal was, if you buy anything from Mamaearth, you'll be getting this moisturizer free. So I bought this, but I'm wondering why there's so much of dirt in the packaging. Can you see it? Not impressive. The next product which I am very excited to try is this Laneige lip sleeping mask in the berry. So they have 3 variants, and offer was only there in this variant, so I got it. And this retails for 150, and I got 10% discount on it. So this product looks very cute. Let me show you guys the inside packaging. This product looks very cute. I mean, I would love to keep this on my makeup shelf. So this is the product I am the most excited to try in this entire haul, because I've heard really good reviews about this lip mask. Then moving on to makeup, so I bought the this 2 lip balm from Nykaa. This is the Nykaa lip balm Serial Kisser lip balm, and the variants that I've got is Pina Colada and Grape. I have already used their watermelon variant earlier, and I've completely used it. Very good quality lip balm. If you're a lip balm person, you should try this. This is like buttery soft and very moisturizing lip balm, the kind of lip balm that I like. So these are the first purchases from Nykaa. The next product that I have purchased is this Nykaa paint stick in the shade Rock and Roll. It's a pink color. I have tried Nykaa paint sticks before and I like them, so I thought of getting another shade in this range, so got this. I'm going to make a review come swatch video on the Nykaa paint stick, so stay tuned for that. So I have restocked this Nykaa Kajal, It's a pretty decent kajal for everyday use, so just I mean repetitive purchase I would say. And also I have purchased my favorite kajal that I wear all the time. This is the Faces Magnetized Kajal. Amazing kajal in the drugstore, affordable range. I love this. Mwah. The next product that I purchased is another kajal, the K Beauty 24-hour long lasting transfer proof smudge proof kajal. This is my first ever purchase from K Beauty, having high expectations from this product. I have bought a lot of kajal this time because, you know, when I'm going out these days, I'm wearing a mask. The more than lipstick, I'm concerned about my eye makeup. So that's why I've bought 3 kajal. So yeah, this is my first time from K Beauty and expecting a lot from this product. Now coming to the next product is this L'Oreal Paris Duo. This is their liquid lipstick duo. So I have seen lot of YouTubers talking about this product. They have received the entire kit from L'Oreal. I don't know why they haven't sent me the kit. So anyways, I wanted to try this product and I had to purchase with my own money, and I think it was a pretty, there was pretty good offer on this for about, I think 2 of this costed me 850, I believe. And the 2 shades that I've got here is I Chose and I Represent. Should I open this? Okay, I will do another video on this. It's gonna be messy now if I open it. So yeah, this is the lip duo from L'Oreal. Moving on to Faces Canada. So the first thing that I have purchased from Faces Canada is the Faces Canada new launch, that is their mini lip crayons. So I have tried their original lip crayons and my favorite shade is Midnight Rose from the collection. I love using it. It's a beautiful crayon and they have launched that crayon in the mini sizes, so I thought of trying this. So this is the mini size of the original crayon, and the 2 shades that I have got are Pink Pout and Wrapped Up. Wrapped Up is again a very popular shade. It's a nudish peach kind of a color. So this is my lipstick purchase from Faces. I actually like Faces nail polishes very much, so I got 2 shades. This is the shade Nautica Girl and the other one is called as Carrot. So the next product that I got from Faces is their acetone free nail enamel. So I use a lot of nail remover. Every time I make a new video or every time I'm going out, I apply a new nail polish, and the one that I use all the time is a Color Bar nail polish remover, but it is I have completely finished it and I wanted to have a new remover. The Color Bar one on Nykaa was out of stock, so I purchased the Faces one. I believe it is going to also work wonderfully, having high expectations from this as well. And I have also purchased 2 liquid lipstick from Faces, their Ultim Pro Long Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Promising Pink and French Rose. So there was an offer going on Faces that if you purchase products above 1000 rupees, you will be getting a lipstick free. So the lipstick that I've got free is this Ultim Pro liquid lipstick, and the shade is Sweet Raspberry. Nice shade. I have opened this. It's a pretty good, let me show you guys the shade and then you will understand. So this is what the packaging looks like, and the shade is a pink shade, bright fuchsia pink shade. So this is what the shade looks like. So this product I have got for free. So moving ahead, the next product that I've got from Faces is the Faces Canada Wetless Stay Matte Compact, and my shade is Natural 02. So I like using Faces product a lot. Faces, Maybelline and L'Oreal, these are the 3 drugstore brands that I use the most, and I love using compact more than foundation. I don't use foundation on a daily basis. I only use a concealer and a compact, so I wanted to try this product, so got it. I would also like to include my Sugar haul in this Nykaa haul, because this is also makeup, and recently Sugar has been giving very nice offer on their product, so I purchased something from Sugar because it is makeup, so I'm including in this haul. So I have bought this Sugar Click Me Velvet lipstick in the shade Rich Ruby and the shade Tantalizing Tangerine. So this is the shade that I'm wearing. Beautiful shade, completely matte finish, comfortable matte. Doesn't bleed much or doesn't transfer much. Beautiful shade. This were on 50% off, so I got this 2 lipstick, and also got their Vivid Time, it's a Pout Time Vivid lipstick in the shade Better Call Salmon. It's a beautiful nude shade. I have worn this couple of times. Let me just show you the swatches. I am not swatching any of the lipstick in this video because it's gonna make it longer. I'm gonna do separate review video on the products. So this is the shade Call Me Salmon. Looks like beautiful brown, nude pink. It has a hint of pink as well. Nude shade. So guys, if you want me to do review on any of the product that I am showing you in this haul, then let me know in the comment section. I would love to do it. The next item that I have purchased from Sugar is their Drop the Serum foundation. I wanted to try some complexion product from Sugar, which I've never tried before, and there was 50% off on this. So there was 50% off on all the lipsticks that I've shown before from Sugar, as well as this foundation, and my shade is 17 RAF. So on purchase of the 3 lipsticks and this foundation, I got their metal lipstick free, and there were a couple of shades to choose from. I took the shade Diana. It's again a very gorgeous nude shade. So this is the packaging, what it looks like, very gorgeous. And I haven't worn this lipstick before, but I think it's a beautiful texture as well. So coming to the last part and one of the most exciting part of the haul is the MAC haul from Nykaa. So MAC, like always, was giving very good discount. Not actually discount, but there was a good offer. So like always, MAC was running the offer that if you purchase anything worth 3,000 rupees, you're going to get a full size lipstick free. So I utilized it always whenever Nykaa give their pink hot sale or their lipstick day, national lipstick day sale. I always purchase from MAC because I think it's a very good deal, and MAC products are never on discount in the outlets or wherever you buy from, and this is the best time to buy the MAC lipsticks, I believe. So yes, this time also I have purchased 3 lipsticks. I mean 2 lipsticks I have purchased from MAC, and the other one I got as free product. I was wondering, I mean, I wanted to buy the MAC Soft and Glow highlighter, but I just changed my mind later on and I went ahead with lipsticks only. So the first shade that I have got is the shade Vegas Volt, quite a popular shade. I wanted this in my collection, so I got it, and I restocked my Ruby Woo. I had a Ruby Woo earlier and I lost it. I went to a party and I think it just fell down from my clutch. I don't know, I kept searching for it and it's so sad that I couldn't find it. So I had to repurchase another Ruby Woo and I got it. And the shade that I have got free is Crosswires. I mean, I think the shade Vegas Volt is the shade that I've got for free, and this is the one that I've purchased. Yes, so I have purchased the shades Ruby Woo and Crosswires, and the shade that I have got free is called as Vegas Volt. So these are all the products that I have got from the recent Nykaa Pink sale. I hope this video was interesting, and if you like watching haul videos, you have liked watching this video. I actually love buying makeup products and trying new products in skincare, hair care, makeup, whatever it is. So I enjoyed actually shopping a lot from Nykaa and also from Sugar. So if you like my work, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video in particular, then please hit the like button. And if you want to know about any product, as I said earlier, please mention in the comments. I would love to do a review video for you guys. See you soon. Bye.